Admob is Google's advertising platform for promoting and monetizing mobile applications. It allows application developers to promote their applications through in-app ads, monetize their applications by enabling in-app advertisements, and providing intelligent insights through Google Analytics. Admob is available for Android and iOS platforms, with support for Unity and Cocos gaming engines. Your Admob account connects with your AdWords account to distribute your ads for your Android, iOS, or gaming applications. By connecting Admob to AdWords, you can create mobile app install campaigns. These campaigns are specific to getting more people to download your app, with AdWords applying custom targeting, keywords, and ads based on your app ID and miscellaneous information. One unique feature of this mobile advertising platform is Admob mediation, which allows you to create house and campaigns that serve ads to your app using your own inventory free of charge. You can easily evaluate your campaign performance by tracking installs as conversions. Admob fully integrates with Google Analytics, allowing you to access all the metrics and dimensions that matter to your application. User acquisition, engagement, revenue, screen views, sessions, app version, screen size, and more. You can also segment your audiences to gain perspective on how people use your application.